Hello and welcome. Today, we are talking about the key differences between aluminum and steel elevator guide rails. Both are essential for smooth and stable elevator operation, but each has its own set of advantages. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about weight. Aluminum guide rails are much lighter than steel ones. This makes them easier to handle during installation and maintenance, which can save time and effort. So, if you are looking for something that's quicker to install, aluminum might be the way to go. But what about strength and durability? This is where steel really shines. Steel guide rails are stronger and more robust, which makes them ideal for heavy-duty applications like high-rise buildings or elevators that carry heavy loads. They are built to withstand more stress and wear, offering long-term reliability. Now, let's consider cost. Aluminum guide rails are generally more expensive than steel ones because of the material and manufacturing process. However, because they are lighter and easier to install, you might save on labor costs. Steel guide rails, on the other hand, are usually more affordable and offer excellent value for their durability and strength. So, which one should you choose? If you are looking for lightweight, easy installation and a quieter ride, aluminum guide rails are a great option. But if you need strength, durability, and cost-effectiveness, you can't go wrong with steel guide rails. At Sunny Elevator, we offer both options to suit your specific needs. Contact us today to find the perfect solution for your project.